What about the heart, Shaykh Bilal? Tell us, what role does the heart play in the life of a Muslim?
Heart for a Muslim is an extremely important part of our anatomy. A heart that is sound, a heart that is pure, a heart that is clean affects the entire body, its entire emotions, its entire reactions, its entire decision making. So the heart, I don't know if the science has still reached that conclusion or not, but what we do know for a fact from Quran and the teachings of Rasulullah is that the heart is the central organ that if that is right, the rest, everything would be right. If the heart set is in the right place, the body set, the mind set, the soul set, they will all be connected and all be performing well. There's a hadith of Rasulullah in which he said that, know that in your body there's a piece of flesh. This is verbatim, I'm not exactly quoting the hadith. So Rasulullah said that, know that in your body there's a piece of flesh. If that piece of flesh is sound, the entire body will be sound. And if that piece of flesh is corrupt, the entire body would be corrupt. And know that piece of flesh is your heart. Right? So our heart is an extremely important element. So our heart plays an important role. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in different places in Quran have emphasized the importance of heart as well. In one place Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that indeed the hearing, the sight and the heart, all of them would be questioned. So he said that what you hear would be questioned, what you see would be questioned, and what is in your heart would be questioned as well. In another place Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that it is not the sight, it is not the eyes that become blind, it is the heart that becomes blind. Now some people, pseudo-intellect people, they go on and say that this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is still referring to intellect. So Quran even clarified that. He said, al-latif as-sudur, it is actually the heart that is in your chest. There is no brain in the chest, it is only the heart that is in the chest. So it's the heart in the chest that becomes blind. I was doing some not as much research as you do on science, but I was doing some research on science, specific aspect of heart being in control. And now there are studies that are available that clearly demonstrate that there are neurons within the heart that send signals to the brain independently, not that they receive from the brain and then vice versa send back to the brain. They are neurons which, based on the emotions that are triggered in the heart, send signals to the brain, and then the brains act accordingly.